If you want ChatGPT to always show the code while using data analysis, there's a simple setting you can add in just a minute. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can make your ChatGPT responses more transparent, easier to follow, and much better for learning or debugging. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick AI and ChatGPT guides. All right, let's jump in. First, open ChatGPT and make sure you're signed in to the account you want to customize. On the main screen, look for your profile name or profile icon. Depending on your layout, you'll usually find it in the bottom left corner or in the top right corner. Click on it to open your account menu. From there, go into Settings. Once the Settings panel opens, look for the section called Personalization. In some versions of ChatGPT, you may see General or Personalization as the main area where custom instructions are managed. The goal here is to find the place where you can control how ChatGPT responds to your prompts. Now, find the Custom Instructions area. This is where you can tell ChatGPT to respond in a specific way every time. In the instruction field, type a clear prompt like "Always show code when using data analysis." You can also make it a little more specific. For example, when using data analysis, always include the code used to calculate the answer. The clearer your instruction is, the more consistent the output will be. After entering your instruction, save the changes. Once that's done, ChatGPT should start following that preference in future conversations, especially when you're asking it to analyze data, calculate results, or explain logic with Python. To see how this works, try a simple prompt like "Calculate the average of 10, 20, 30, and 40. If the setting is active, ChatGPT may respond with an analysis section, the Python code it used, and then the final answer. For example, you might see something like Python code that adds the values together and divides by the total count. That makes it much easier to understand exactly how the result was generated. This is especially useful if you're learning data analysis, reviewing calculations, or trying to verify ChatGPT's work. Instead of just getting the final answer, you can see the logic step by step. That can help with troubleshooting, transparency, and building confidence in the result. If you don't see the code right away, don't worry. Try rewording the custom instruction to be even more direct, like "Always display Python code in data analysis responses." You can also add that you want the code shown before the explanation. Small wording changes can make a big difference in how the model responds. And if you ever want to change this behavior later, just go back into the same settings area and update or remove the custom instruction. That way, you stay in full control of how ChatGPT behaves for your workflow. That's it. You now know how to show code while using data analysis in ChatGPT. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more ChatGPT tutorials, and drop a comment if you want to see more AI tips just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.